What's going on, family? I want to give you an update. So this is my customized deal. I bought that new. I got a deal on it. It didn't have a top on it. So I bought a top. You see I wrapped the bottom with that flooring. I had a little bit left. And I did the countertop with the flooring because that's where I'm at the coffee at. And it turned out good. Like for what I'm doing, I'm letting it dry now and let everything dry so I can touch up. But it turned out great, man. It looks good and it matched the floor and stuff. So I just utilized some of the stuff that I had left over and trimmed it out. Took my time and pieced it up. So I got a little bit more silicone to clear up on there. And hey, it's gonna be nice. But I like what I did though. Thinking outside the box, using what you got, getting your hog on. The cafe will be open soon, y'all. Will be open soon. We are getting ready to get our hog on. Black Feniks.